mai koutou, ko Tiana ahau. I am Tiana.
And good morning, Winton School. Call Grace, ahau. I am Grace. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for the 15th of June. How do I do 15?
Just do a 1 and then a 5 comes along. Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is norhor, which is te reo for sit, stay or live.
It's in kei te tepu ngā tamariki e noho ana. The children are sitting at the table.
Ka pai, that's norhor, which is te reo for sit, stay or live.
Kia ora, Pals News. Check out the library window. I think you're in the hall, but not sure. Check the window.
Ka pai, health and safety news. Hi VIZ VESTS. Everyone should be wearing them to and from school. Kia ora.
Rippa Rugby Y6 training today over the road at 12:45. Kia ora.
Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below. Below.
No, it's Wacky Wednesday.
Oh yeah, below.
On to Whare Puka News. Open today from 12:45 for returns, browsing and issues.
Sports news. All Southland cross-country runners, listen up.
All runners off to Southlands on Friday need to meet in the library and morning tea for your jackets and a photo. Kia ora.
And that's it for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team. Ka kitea popo. See ya tomorrow.
Stay clean, stay dry,
and stay off the grass, Winton School.